My old Honeywell thermostat has S1 and S2 wires, but my new programmable Honeywell thermostat does not use them.
Do you know the model of your Honeywell thermostat? How old is it?
RTH 7600D is the new thermo, not sure about the old.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
I have 8 wires, and except for the S1 and S2 everything was looked the same from the old to the new.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The new model thermo does not have the extra pins on the back.
Welcome to Just Answer, my name is Billy. Thank you for using Just Answer. I'm sorry you are having problems with your equipment. I will do my best to help you get this resolved. If I happen to be helping another or step away during our communication, please know I will follow up as soon as I am back available/online. You will likely receive a pop-up for phone call offer. I am not currently set up for phone calls, but we do have experts that are. If you would like a phone call, I can opt out to enable another expert to assist you. I am looking at your question and will respond shortly. Please be patient as I may have to pull manuals, diagrams or drawings. Hello, those are just 2 wires to an outdoor sensor. I don't know if your old thermostat also showed outdoor temp or used it for heat pump changeover if you have dual fuel. But on a change out, the S1 and S2 are rarely needed unless you have a gas furnace backup to a heat pump. We just tape them and tuck away, Billy.
New Honeywell programmable RTH 7600D does not use the lower RT S1 and S2 wires. My heat pump use LP as backup if the temp is lower than 40 degrees.
Okay, then your new thermostat will have a menu option, should have, for the LP delay. You no longer have the reading of an outdoor sensor, so the thermostat would engage the LP if it were to start falling behind in 1/10 degree increments. Which is when you want the backup anyway.
There are 2 less pins on the new unit. What happens to the S1, S2 wires if they are sensors?
That is what I just explained above. Instead of switching over by outdoor temp, it will switch over at loss of heating inside. If it senses it is on heat, but the thermostat is losing ground instead of keeping up, it engages back up. Or you could get a thermostat that uses the S1 and S2 instead of the one you have.
What model is that for a Honeywell?
I would need to know what you are looking for. Wi-Fi programmable with weak programmable for 7 non-programmable digital, etc.
Can you recommend both, and I would decide what would be more beneficial for me.
Honeywell 8000 to 9000 series will show outdoor temp as well as indoor. Honeywell TH7000 to TH8000 will do the temp switch over and monitor outdoor temp but will not show outdoor temp on screen.
I turned on the power switch to the furnace and selected system heat. The room temp is 62. I put the set to at 70, but I don't hear the fan kick on.
Was power off to furnace when changing wiring? Did you program the new thermostat in the menu to tell it what it is controlling?
I have the system to heat. It looks just like the old thermo, but now I have programmable capabilities. I replaced new thermo with old, making sure the power off then back on. Furnace works, but new thermo doesn't work properly.
Did you program it for heat pump with backup in the menu?
Didn't see that for an option. Which function code should I use? Are you done?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.